Hi, here the given statement is we have to find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Now let's assume the two numbers are a and b, so this can be written as a plus b is equal to 27 and product a into b is equal to 182. Now we got these two and we need to solve the numbers. Now to do this, I think if we can find a minus b, we can easily cancel b and we can find a and b values. Now to do that, I'm going to use a formula called, let me move this as above, and I will be needing to use a formula called, we have a formula called a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So I'll be using this formula. All of you know it. Like if you expand a plus b whole square, it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So because it's minus, a square and b square get cancelled and it will remain 4ab. This is the formula. So let me substitute these values in this formula. Let's see this. Now I'll be writing here 27 square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4 into 182. Now I need to solve this. Now this, I'll move that side and I'll take this side. So this will become a minus b whole square is equal to 27 square minus 4 into 182. Now let's try to find it. Now 27 square is 27 into 27. Let's try to find it. 27 into 27, 7 7 is 49, 9 here, 4 here, 7 2 is 14, and 18 here, and 54, and 9 here, and 12 here, 1 here, and 729. So 27 square is 729. So I'll write here 729 minus, and if you multiply it, 36 and 72 and 4 to the 8, so 728. So now if I write like this will be 1. So a minus b whole square is equal to 1, and a minus b is equal to, when you find square root of 1, it will be plus or minus 1. So now I got a minus b, and now I already have a plus b, which is a plus b is actually 27, right? So let's see this. So now I'll be using, the question is find the number. So sum is 27 and product is, so now let's see this. Now I'll move this, sum is 27, right? So I'll be using this formula here. So now we have this a plus b is equal to 27 and a minus b is equal to 1. So now I'll also have minus 1. We can solve that for that as well. So for now I'll be writing here a minus b is equal to 1. So now let's try to solve it, and 2a is equal to 28 and a is equal to 14. So I got a value 14, and b, if you put here, take this b this side, a minus 1, so that is b is equal to 13. So this is 14 and 13 is one solution. And also we got here minus 1. So let's try to find if a minus b is minus 1. So here we did for a minus b is 1, and I'm trying for a minus b minus 1, and a plus b is equal to, a plus b is equal to 27, and let's see what we will get it. So I'm going to write add it, cancel it. 2a is equal to 26 and a is equal to 13, and if you take b that side, this will be plus b, so this will be 14. So we still got the same values, 14 13 and 13 14. So the roots of, the two numbers whose product is 182 and sum is 20, let's see this, I just missed it, whose sum is 27 and product is 182, a is 13 and 14. So we just find the roots of, we just found the values. So I hope you are clear with this. Thank you.